from Nipissing.
Thank you, Speaker, to the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. Whereas provincial demonstration schools in Ontario provide education programs and services for students with special education needs who require intensive supports due to severe learning disabilities, and whereas there are 3 demonstration schools in Ontario, Trillium in Milton, Saganaska in Belleville, and Amethyst in London, and whereas with specialized and targeted intervention and remediation provided by the provincial demonstration schools, children with severe learning disabilities have found success and are finally in an environment where they thrive and can learn in a meaningful way and access the education to which they are entitled. And whereas these schools are in a consultation process that will most likely lead to closure, while even with early identification and early intervention, local school boards are ill-equipped to handle the needs of these students. We, the undersigned, petition the Legislative Assembly of Ontario as follows. A, to oppose this recommendation of demonstration school closures becoming part of the Ontario budget, which is strictly a cost-cutting measure which does not take into account the resulting high costs at school board level to provide same service types to severely learning disabled students. B, actively move to enable these valuable schools to remain in place to serve students who have exhausted all other available resources in order to access equal education for themselves without added costs, to which they, like all students, are entitled by the law of the land by opposing the closure of demonstration schools. And C, actively move to enable the continuation of the added role of demonstration schools as front-runner providers of direction for technology use in schools, literacy development and curriculum delivery by opposing the closure of demonstration schools. I agree with this Speaker. I will put my name, sign my name to it and give it to
the petition.
Paige Jesse.
Member from Essex.